26. And it says, "Therefore I tell you, do not be anxious about your life, what you will eat or what you will drink, nor about your body, what you will put on. Is not life more than food, and the body more than clothing? Look at the birds of the air. They neither sow nor reap nor gather into barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not of more value than they?" And just that last sentence just really hit me. Because it just I don't know, it never really occurred to me. I knew that God loved me, but just to think that God values me more than the sunsets, just how amazing they are. God values me more than anything that He's created on this earth. And I don't know, I just wanted to share that with you because it helped me pick my song for today. Which is a song probably a lot of you know. If you know it, go ahead and sing it. I'm just going to sing a cappella today.